Pretty soon we will see everybody going back to the office after this pandemic coronavirus is over. And you want to make sure, because you have been closed for a while, your office area is deep cleaned and disinfected from this coronavirus. We offer one stop for all your cleaning needs. If you're interested in getting a free estimate for disinfecting your office area or deep cleaning or routine cleaning for that matter. Hello, I'm Mike Karashi. I'm the owner of Aladdin Cleaning Services Incorporated. We have been around for 22 years and have been recipient of many Excellence in Service Awards in our area. You can call us at 951-272-2068 or you can visit us on our website at AladdinCleaningservices.com.